Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I am Snehal Mahajan, your inside out specialist, and today I am going to tell you why it is important to be self motivated. This is very common question for everyone, and most of my clients always you ask me, Snehal, I always feel demotivated. I am not self motivated person. I need someone to push me. So that's why today I am going to tell you why it is important to be self motivated and how you can be self motivated every time. Self motivation is a life skill. The reason behind it is every person on this earth is unique and everyone wants to be successful, but without motivation you cannot get anything. Self motivation pushes you to keep going under unusual condition, and it also can make you confident and make your relationship happy. So it is very important to get your goals. You have to be self motivated, and it is well said, don't wait for opportunity, create it. Similarly, you have to create your motivation. You don't have to wait for others to motivate you, and that's why self motivation is important. As I earlier said, self motivation is a skill that will help you to get things done without outer influencer. It makes you hunger to work hard. It increases and boosts your confidence and gives you energy to achieve your goals. There are some reasons for why you have to be self motivated in your life. Why it is important. The main reason is when you are motivated, you feel confident. Automatically your confidence builds up and you start thinking positively. And when you think positively, you never fear hurdles. Self confidence is the best outfit. Own it and rock it. When you are motivated, you wish to improve your life, and for that you set realistic and achievable goals and you start working on it to achieve it. Self motivation also helps you to learn new things with an ease. It helps you, it pushes you to learn the things in an easy manner. It motivates you. During learning, you come across so many hurdles, but self motivation inspires you. It helps you to face those hurdles and get things done and achieve your goal. It also helps you to be committed, to be determined, and for that you start giving your best and giving your effort for all those things which you want to achieve. When you keep on motivating yourself, you start feeling happy. Self motivation gives you happiness. It gives you success, and when you get success, you automatically feel happy. So self motivation plays very important role in your happiness as well as in your growth and success. Now, after knowing the importance of self motivation, you might be thinking how to be self motivated. So there are few things by which you can be self motivated and get success every time by setting high but sensible goals, by taking fair risk, spend time with motivated people, think positively, and last but not least, ignore naysayers. And always remember, everything you can't get overnight. Anything can't change overnight. Rome was not built in one day. you have to work hard to get anything. Different people get motivation from different things. Some people get motivation from books, from person, inspiring stories, inspiring movies, and many more. So, be self motivated, motivate yourself, think big, and set achievable goals for yourself. One day you will definitely get succeed. Now it's your turn. Please share how you motivate yourself in the comment box below. Let others also read and get inspiration or motivation from your answer. I will be also happy to read your answers. And always remember, everything starts with you, so just do it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also do share it with your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till that time, take care. Namaste.